What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are running a campaign, so please note all the way through the video, the link down below is going to help you in maybe winning 10,000 USDT or a share of that. Okay, before we get in, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. I do it because I love doing it and I love getting it on your radar. We're talking about Phemex. Let's get in. Guys, here it is. It is Phemex.com. All right, you can see here it's the most efficient crypto trade and investment platform that it says here. All right, quick overview. Got buy crypto markets, contracts, spot, earn, learn, promotions, dazzle at the top. Log in and register on there, and you can download the apps on there. Now, a quick overview of what this is. Now, a quick overview of Phemex, all right, and please remember the links are down below. It is a trading platform. All right, you can come on here and trade your cryptos. You can do it with NFTs or your spot and earns. Now, I'm not here to teach you trading today. Please go on to some of our other videos and have a look at different ways that you can start trading. But Phemex is one of the platforms that we use, and that is credible. I'm going to talk to you very soon about a campaign running on this channel. All right, super interesting. Now, let me just quickly go to the presentation. I wanted to jump over here, all right, to show you the threes. All right, they've got safe, super simple. Now, it's safe because they leverage a Morgan Stanley financial experience and professional to keep your assets safe in every way. That's your Phemex wallet, your security system, your certified legitimacy, Okay, they've got super, so that's we pursue excellent in efficiency and speed, so you can always stay one step ahead. Now, that's high performance, 365 times 24 system. That's every single day of the year, every single hour. And simple, easy registration. That's simple, not basic. Comprehensively consider user needs so you can enjoy an intuitive experience. All right, easy registration, simple trading, and effortless earning. Guys, the customer support is in the bottom right. It is unmatched. All right, they will get back to you in an instant. You can discuss anything you want in there. If you need help with anything, they help you out straight away. All right, all you do, put your name in, your email, select the issue in the category, and put a message in there. And I swear, it's one of the best customer service I have ever seen. So it's less than a millisecond order response time, 30 plus integrated liquidity providers, and 300,000 plus executed orders per second. All right, all you got to do is click get started. Within 30 seconds, you are in. All right, this is incredible. It's on the App Store, the Google Play. Now, I want to just tell you that their copy trader platform is launching very soon. In October, you're going to see this platform launched, and it is going to make moves in the industry. Guys, one of the main reasons that we've even brought you this video is because we are running a campaign on this channel. All right, all you got to do is register for the Phemex account using the link down below. That link is the most important part. All right, register the UID on a Google form, deposit at least 100 USDT. All right, during October the 1st to the 15th, so check the date on your calendar right now. You might be watching this a bit late. Trade more than 1,000 USDT, all right, during that whole period, and split the prize pool of 10,000 USDT. Now, that's 10,000. Check the price online, all right? It's separate from the 180 that Phemex actually give you as a welcome bonus. It's completely separate, so you can get 10,000 plus the 180, all right? This is an ongoing partnership that we have built with Phemex, and it means there's going to be more benefits for us in the future. You're going to see a lot more videos like this, bringing you in a more in-depth video, all right? Do your own research. Click the links down below, but only using our link are you going to get that incredible offer where you can win up to 10,000 USDT. There you have it, guys. I cannot explain to you how important it is to use the link down below. You can make so much money by just clicking links in descriptions of our videos and getting involved in the promos, getting involved in the affiliate side, getting involved in anything that we're giving you. There's a reason this channel is blowing up, all right? It's because you keep hitting that like, keep hitting that subscribe, hitting that bell, and because the partnerships we are making with people like Phemex is incredible. So please keep supporting us, hit all of them buttons, and from me, have a very blessed day.